Welcome to this informative video about the number 1 food highest in vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is an important nutrient that many people may not be familiar with, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining good health. In this video, we'll explore the food that contains the most vitamin K2, what it does for our bodies, and why it's so important to get enough of this nutrient in our diets. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Vitamin K2 is a crucial nutrient for maintaining a healthy body and preventing various health conditions. This vitamin is necessary for the proper functioning of several key processes in the body, such as blood clotting, building strong bones, and maintaining cardiovascular health. Unfortunately, many people are deficient in this vital nutrient, making it essential to find food sources that are rich in vitamin K2. In this article, we will be discussing the number 1 food highest in vitamin K2 and its numerous health benefits. The number 1 food highest in vitamin K2 is natto. Natto is a traditional Japanese food that is made from fermented soybeans. This food is not only a rich source of vitamin K2, but also high in several other essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12, iron, and magnesium. Natto is also a good source of protein and contains a range of health-promoting probiotics, making it a nutritious and health-boosting food. One of the most significant benefits of vitamin K2 is its role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. This vitamin helps to activate a protein called osteocalcin, which is responsible for depositing calcium into the bones. This helps to increase bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Vitamin K2 also helps to prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. This is because vitamin K2 helps to regulate the body's calcium levels, preventing calcium from depositing in the arteries and forming plaque. Vitamin K2 is also beneficial for the health of the heart and blood vessels. This vitamin helps to improve blood flow and reduces the risk of blood clots, making it essential for maintaining cardiovascular health. Additionally, vitamin K2 has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as arthritis, cancer, and heart disease. Another significant benefit of vitamin K2 is its role in preventing liver damage. This vitamin helps to regulate the body's metabolism of fat, reducing the risk of liver damage and other liver-related diseases. It also helps to improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver cancer. In conclusion, the number 1 food highest in vitamin K2 is natto. This traditional Japanese food is a nutritious and delicious way to ensure that you are getting enough of this essential nutrient in your diet. By consuming natto regularly, you can enjoy numerous health benefits, including strong bones, a healthy heart and blood vessels, and reduced risk of liver damage. Whether you are looking to prevent chronic diseases or simply maintain optimal health, incorporating natto into your diet is a great way to do so. Thank you for watching this video on the number 1 food highest in vitamin K2. We hope you learned something new about this important nutrient and the food that contains the most of it. Remember, incorporating vitamin K2 into your diet can help support your overall health, so make sure to add this food to your meal plans. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.